Hi, I'm Eilish from Bagista. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 tips on how to care for your designer handbag. Tip 1 is to clean the leather. You can use any leather spray or gel, but make sure it doesn't contain bleach, and apply it with a microfiber cloth and not directly onto the leather. Tip 2, with Chanel, they advise you not to use any leather cleaning products, but instead to use the cloth that comes with the bag. Tip 3 is to stuff the bag. To keep it in its original shape, make sure to use tissue paper or bubble wrap. For bags with straps, make sure to include them inside the bag so that they don't imprint on the leather. Tip 4, dust bag. Make sure to store your bag in a dust bag. This will prevent it from dust flying around in the air, any sunlight damage or scratches to the leather. If your handbag didn't come with a dust bag, you can also use a pillowcase. Just make sure that it's light in colour so it doesn't get any transfer on the bag. If your handbag has charms like this one, they will also come with a dust bag which you can wrap around the charms to protect the bag. Tip 5, air them out regularly. Although it's important to keep them in the dust bag, we recommend airing them out once a month to make sure they're fresh and free of any mould. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for the next video from Bagista.